Hi children, good morning. How are you? We already started the lesson agriculture. In that lesson, you already learned about different kinds of agricultural practices existed in our country and cropping pattern in India. And we started a topic major crops in our country. In that part, you studied about the cultivation of rice, wheat. Today, you are going to study about other crops grown in our country. First one is millets. This picture shows different kinds of millets. Jowar, bajra and ragi are the important millets grown in our country. Then what are the features of millet? First one, it is a coarse grains. Second one, it has very high nutritional value. In our day-to-day life, we are having different nutritional foods and the millets contain high amount of nutritional value. For example, ragi is very rich in iron, calcium, other micronutrients and phosphates. Then, what are the features of ragi crop? It is a crop of dry region. That means the ragi grown in a dry region of our country and it grows well on red, black, loamy and shallow black soils. The important ragi producing states are Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Jharkhand and Arunachal Pradesh. I think that in our day-to-day life, most of the students' house using ragi as a nutritional food. Second important millet crop grown in our country is jowar. What are the features of jowar? Jowar is the third most important food crop with respect to area and production. Second one, it is a rain-fed crop mostly grown in the moist areas. So, it does not need irrigation. Important jowar producing states are Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Another important millets crop grown in our country is bajra. What are the peculiarities of bajra? It grows well on sandy soils and shallow black soils. Important bajra producing states are Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Haryana. Next, you are going to study about maize. Then you are familiar with the popcorn. Then maize, what are the peculiarities of maize or features of maize? First one, it used both as fodder and food. Maize used as a food for the human beings and also the food of the animals like cow, goat, etc. What are the geographical conditions required for the growth of maize? First one, temperature between 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Second one, it grows well in old alluvial soil. Third one, it is a kharif crop but in Bihar it grown in Rabi season. Fourth geographical condition required for the growth of maize is it use moderate inputs like HYV seeds or high yielding variety of seeds, fertilizers and irrigation have contributed increasing production of maize. Where the less rainfall happen, the peasants or farmers use irrigation facilities. That is why the production of maize increase in our country. Important maize producing states are Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Madhya Pradesh. Next, you need to study about pulses. You are familiar with the pulses in our day-to-day life. Different kinds of pulses we are using as a part of our food. And what are the peculiarities of pulses? India is largest producer as well as the consumer of pulses in the world. Example of pulses are arhar, urad, moong, masoor, peas and gram. First feature of pulses is it need less moisture and survive in dry conditions. The pulses needed less moisture. That is why if there is no rain or a very hot happen, it survive in the dry conditions. Second one, being leguminous crops, it help in restoring soil fertility by fixing nitrogen from the air. In our country, after the cultivation of rice, wheat, etc., peasants gave importance to the cultivation of pulses after the harvesting of the rice and wheat. Why peasants gave importance to the cultivation of pulses? Because the pulses help in restoring soil fertility. If the farmers or peasants use the agricultural field a lot of time for agriculture purpose, a chance for the loss of soil fertility. If peasants give importance to the cultivation of pulses in that agricultural field, that help increasing soil fertility or restoring soil fertility. How the pulses restoring soil fertility? The pulses take the nitrogen from the air and that nitrogen content reached through the root to the soil and help in the restoring soil fertility. Important pulse producing states are Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Next important crop grown in our country is sugarcane. You are familiar with sugarcane. Then food crops other than grains. Already you know sugarcane is not a food crop, it is a grain. It is a grain. Most of the time it is used as a cash crop. What are the features of sugarcane? It is a tropical as well as a subtropical crop. What is the meaning of that one? Tropic as well as the subtropical region. That means it grow near the equator area as well as the tropical or subtropical area. What are the geographical conditions required for the growth of sugarcane? First one, sugarcane required temperature between 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Second one, sugarcane needed annual rainfall between 25 degrees centimeter to and the 100 centimeter. Sugarcane needed 75 centimeter to 100 centimeter rainfall annually. Third point is sugarcane grows well in hot and humid climate. India is the second largest producer of sugarcane and Brazil is the largest producer of sugarcane in the world. Important sugarcane producing states in our country are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Bihar, Punjab, etc.